Bonjour, mes amis. So it is day one of the language blizzard. I'm gonna try to do all three. I'm not gonna lie, I did use like a combination of like, what did I use? ChatGTP, my dictionary, and other like online sources, and finally was like, you know what? Use what you know, and just go from there. Okay. So I'm pretty sure I have errors. Please correct me. Like, please teach me how to say it properly because I want to make sure my pronunciation in French is très bien. Okay. So, first one is, or day one is self intro. First is snowflake. I need to learn how to say those two, snowflake, snowball, and snowman in French. So, snowflake, how old are you? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? J'ai 36 ans. 36 years old. What's your name? Quel est ton prénom? Quel est ton prénom? Mon prénom est Jacqueline, or je m'appelle Jacqueline. Where are you from? D'où viens-tu? Je viens des États-Unis. Snowball. Talk about your job and your hobbies. I forgot to add that in my writing, but we're just gonna talk off the dome. Je travaille à l'université, mais je ne suis pas professeur. Je suis spécialiste de dossiers au bureau des admissions. Et j'aime écouter musique et jouer video games. Jouer des vidéos et mange très bien nourriture. Okay. Snowman, what are some things you wish people knew about you? I literally wrote this in Spanish. Was like, hey, ChatGTP, tell me how to say this in French. Then was like, but would I really say that? So this is what I wrote down. Okay. I don't even know how to say this word. This is from ChatGTP because I don't know, like, I'm barely there with like present and past tense in French. You start talking about desires, I'm like, what? Okay. Je soy. That's that Spanish pronunciation trying to come in. Que les autres personnes connaissent avec le cadeau. Si achète quelque chose pour moi lié à mes passions et mes intérêts, me fait très contente. What I tried to say was, well, I'm gonna translate it anyway in the subtitle, so y'all find out. But watching this later. Woo! Okay, day one done. Donezo.